This is the watering can, solar nightlight watering can. It's got the little wire things that water running out of them. We took and put it inside of another outside light. This is an old outside light thing. We just put in that for this flower bed thing here. So we add other stuff to it. This is the solar hummingbird wind chime here on this side of it. Yeah, I got some traffic out here this morning. I thought had a nighttime picture, which couldn't see it very well, but now you got the daytime picture of it. I just slid that thing right in there, so you don't always have to use the hanging post. You can put it in other stuff too. So